What if I gave you $0 right now? Nothing in your pocket, nothing in your bank account, nothing in your bank account, nothing to start with, and told you that you had 12 months to turn that zero into $10,000. Could you do it? Most people would say no. They would say they need money to make money. They would say they do not have the right skills, the right connections, or the right opportunities. But here's what I know after studying how real wealth is built from nothing. $10,000 from zero in 12 months is not just possible. It is a system, a repeatable step-by-step process that anyone can follow regardless of where they are starting from. Today on Sunny Aurum, I am going to walk you through exactly how I would do it. Not theory, not motivation. A real actionable plan, step by step, that you can copy and start today. Stay until the end because in the final section I am going to show you what to do with your $10,000 once you have it and how to turn it into $100,000. Welcome back to Sunny Aurum, where your money finally makes sense. If you are new here, we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps anyone can follow. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a golden opportunity. Now let us get into the plan. Before we talk about any strategy or tactic, there is a fundamental mindset shift that has to happen first. Because without this shift, no strategy in the world will work for you. Most people approach money from a scarcity mindset. They think about what they do not have. They focus on what they cannot do. They see every obstacle as a reason to stop before they start. And this mindset makes every financial challenge feel impossible, including going from $0 to $10,000. The people who actually build wealth from nothing think differently. They approach every financial challenge from an abundance mindset combined with a problem-solving orientation. Instead of saying, I have no money, they ask what value can I create right now with what I already have. Instead of saying, I have no skills, they ask what skills can I develop quickly that people will pay for. Instead of saying the timing is not right, they ask what is the smallest possible step I can take today. The shift from victim thinking to creator thinking is the foundation everything else is built on. And here is the truth about skills and value. Every single person watching this right now has something that other people need. Knowledge, time, a physical skill, access to something, the ability to solve a specific problem. The gap between $0 and $10,000 is bridged entirely by your ability to identify that value and connect it with people who will pay for it. So before you watch another minute, make this decision right now. You are not going to wait for perfect conditions. You are not going to wait until you feel ready. You are going to start identifying the value you already have and figure out how to exchange it for money, starting today. That decision is worth more than any specific tactic I could ever share with you. The journey from $0 to $10,000 happens in 3 phases. Phase 1 is the foundation month 1. This phase is entirely about generating your first income from absolute zero and establishing the systems that will support everything that comes after. In month 1, your only goal is to generate your first $500. That is it. $500, not $10,000, not even $1,000, just $500. Because generating your first $500 from zero proves to yourself that you can create money from nothing, and that proof changes everything about how you approach the next 11 months. Here is exactly how to generate your first $500 in month 1 starting with $0. The fastest path is selling what you already own. Go through your entire home right now. Clothes you have not worn in 12 months, list them. Electronics that are sitting in drawers, list them. Books, furniture, sporting equipment, kitchen items you never use, list them all. Facebook Marketplace, OLX, eBay, and similar platforms are free to use, and people are buying secondhand items every single day. The average person has between $300 and $800 worth of items in their home that they could sell within 2 weeks, dollars worth of items in their home that they could sell within 2 weeks. This is your fastest path to your first $500 with zero investment required. While you are selling your existing items, simultaneously start offering one simple service to people in your immediate network. This could be anything you are physically capable of doing: cleaning homes, washing cars, delivering groceries, doing laundry, moving furniture, running errands, tutoring students, walking dogs. Pick one simple service. Charge a fair rate. Tell every single person you know about it. Even getting 3 to 5 clients in your first month at $30 to $50 per job adds $90 to $250 to your income. Combined, selling your unused items and offering one simple local service gives most people their first $500 within 30 days. The moment that $500 hits your account, do not spend it. Put it in a separate savings account. It is the foundation of everything that comes next. Month 1 also has one non-negotiable system to set up: a simple income and expense tracker. Every dollar you earn gets tracked. Every dollar you spend gets tracked. Every dollar you spend gets tracked. This is not optional. Understanding exactly where money comes in and where it goes out is the foundation of every financial decision you make from this point forward. Alongside generating your first $500 in month 1, you need to start developing one high-income skill in parallel. Because the simple local services that get you to $500 fast are not going to get you to $10,000. To get to $10,000, you need to develop a skill that can generate $500 and $20,000 per month consistently and do it while requiring only your time and a phone or laptop. Here are the 5 highest income skills you can learn from absolute zero with no upfront investment. Skill 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art of writing words that sell. Sales pages, email sequences, social media ads, product descriptions. Businesses pay copywriters between $50 and $500 per piece of writing, and the demand is enormous. You can learn the fundamentals of copywriting in 30 days by reading free resources and practicing daily. Your first clients will pay you $50 to $100 per project. Within 3 to 6 months of consistent practice, you can charge $300 to $500 per project. Skill 2. Video editing. Every content creator on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok needs their videos edited, and most of them hate doing it themselves. Video editing is a skill you can learn using free software like DaVinci Resolve in 4 to 6 weeks. Beginner editors charge $50 to $100 per video. Intermediate editors charge $50 to $50 to $300 per video. With 5 to 10 clients per month, this income becomes substantial quickly. Skill 3. Social media management. Small businesses desperately need someone to manage their Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok accounts. You can learn social media management strategy in 3 to 4 weeks by studying free content on YouTube. Entry-level social media managers charge $200 to $500 per month per client. With 3 clients, that is $600 to $1,500 to $1,500 per month from a skill you can learn in under a month. Skill 4. Graphic design. Businesses constantly need logos, thumbnails, social media graphics, and marketing materials. Canva has made basic graphic design accessible to anyone, and you can learn it in 2 weeks. Canva designers charge $20 to $100 per design. More experienced to dollars per design. More experienced designers charge $100 to $500 per project. Skill 5. Freelance writing. If you can write clearly and research effectively, businesses, blogs, and websites will pay you to create content for them. Freelance writing rates start at $20 to $50 per article for beginners and rise to $100 to $500 per article for experienced writers. Pick one of these 5 skills. Spend 1 hour per day learning it in month 1. By month 2, you will be ready to start offering it as a service, and by month 3, it should be generating meaningful income alongside your local service work. Phase 2 covers months 2 through 6, and this is where the real acceleration happens. By month 2, you have your first $500 saved, 1 simple local service generating small income, and 1 high-income skill in development. Now it is time to systematically grow each of these while adding new income streams. Month 2 goal. Reach $1,000 total savings. You do this by scaling your local service income and landing your first freelance client using your new skill. Even 1 freelance project at $50 to $100 alongside your continued local service work gets you to $1,000. Month 3 goal. Reach $2,000 total savings and your first recurring client. A recurring client is someone who pays you every month for ongoing work. 1 social media management client at $300 per month or 1 copywriting retainer at $400 per month is a recurring income stream that makes every subsequent month easier and more predictable. Month 4 goal. Reach $3,500 total savings. By month 4, your skill should be generating $300 to $500 per month from freelance work. Your local services should be generating $200 to $300 per month, and you should be actively seeking your second and third recurring clients. The key in month 4 is to stop trading time for small amounts and start focusing your energy on the highest paying activities. Month 5 goal. Reach $5,500 total savings. By month 5, you should have 2 to 3 recurring clients generating $600 to $900 per month combined. This is the point where the compounding effect of consistent effort really starts to show. Your income is now covering your basic needs, plus generating significant surplus that goes straight into savings. Month 6 goal. Reach $7,500 total savings. By month 6, your freelance income alone should be approaching $1,000 to $1,500 per month if you have been consistent with skill development and client acquisition. This is also the month to start thinking about raising your prices. As your skill improves and your portfolio of work grows, you deserve to be paid more. Charge what you are worth. Throughout Phase 2, every single dollar earned above your basic living expenses goes into your savings account. No lifestyle upgrades, no new purchases, no exceptions. The entire purpose of these 6 months is to build your savings as aggressively as possible while building skills that will generate income for years to come. Phase 3 is the final push. Months 7 to 12, and this is where you go from $7,500 to $10,000 and beyond. By month 7, your income system is working. You have recurring clients, a growing skill set, and a savings account with real money in it for the first time in your life. Now is the time to make 3 specific moves that dramatically accelerate your progress toward $10,000. Move 1. Raise your prices. If you started charging $50 per project in month 2, and you have delivered consistent quality work, you can confidently charge $100 to $150 per project by month 7. Most clients will stay. Your income from existing clients increases without any additional work, and new clients start at your higher rate. This single move can increase your monthly income by 50 to 100% overnight. Move 2 for me, add your second income stream. By month 7, you are proving you can generate income from your primary freelance skill. Now, add one additional income stream alongside it. A simple digital product, a template, a guide, a checklist related to your skill area that you create once and sell repeatedly is a powerful addition. Even selling 5 to 10 copies per month at $10 to $20 each adds $50 to $200 in mostly passive income. Move 3, reinvest a portion of your earnings into tools that increase your productivity and income potential. A better laptop, a premium course, a professional tool that saves you hours per week. Investing in your business and your skills at this stage is not an expense. It is a high return investment in your ability to earn more. Month 8 goal, $8,000 total savings. Month 9 goal, $8,800. Month 10 goal, $9,200. Month 11 goal, $9,700. Month 12 goal, $10,000 and beyond. By month 12, if you have followed this plan with genuine consistency, you will have $10,000 saved, a freelance income generating $1,000 to $2,000 per month, a growing client base, a marketable high-income skill, and most importantly, the proven knowledge that you can create money from nothing. That last thing is worth more than the $10,000 itself. Now, here's the part most people never think about. What do you actually do with the money once you hit $10,000? Here is exactly how I would allocate it. First, keep $1,000 as your permanent emergency fund. This money does not get invested. It does not get spent. It does not get spent. It sits in a high-yield savings account and exists solely to protect you from unexpected expenses. Second, invest $6,000 into a low-cost index fund. After 12 months of building this money, putting the majority of it to work in a long-term investment is the single highest leverage move you can make. $6,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund enacts an average 10% annual return, grows to over $104,000 in 30 years without adding another single dollar. That $6,000 working silently for 30 years is the foundation of genuine long-term wealth. 30. Reinvest $2,000 back into your income-generating skills in business. Take a premium course. Buy better tools. Invest in marketing to attract higher-paying clients. Every dollar invested in increasing your earning capacity at this stage returns multiple dollars in increased future income. Fourth, use $1,000 as seed capital for your next income stream. Whether that is buying inventory to resell, creating a digital product, starting a small online store, or funding another income-generating experiment, this $1,000 is your business development fund for the next phase of your journey. This allocation, $1,000 emergency fund, $6,000 invested, $2,000 in skills and tools, $1,000 in new income streams, sets you up perfectly for the next chapter, and that next chapter is turning $10,000 into $100,000. Into $100,000. So there you have it, the complete step-by-step plan to turn $0 into $10,000 in 12 months. Phase 1. Generate your first $500 in month 1. Phase 2. Systematically grow your income through months 2 to 6. Phase 3. Raise your prices, add income streams, and push to $10,000 in months 7 to 12. And when you hit $10,000 in 7 to 12, and when you hit $10,000, invest it wisely and set yourself up for the next level. The most important thing I want you to take from this video is this. The plan works, but only if you start. So here is your action step for today. Write down 3 things you could sell from your home right now. Write down 1 service you could offer starting this week. Write down 1 skill from the 5 I mentioned that you're going to start learning today. 3 lists. Right now, today. That is your starting point. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sunny Aurum for a brand new video every single week. Drop a comment below. Which phase of this plan are you starting from? 0, middle, or almost there? I read every single comment. I will see you in the next one. Stay golden.